Here's some WD-40 Specialist water resistant silicone lubricant, multi-surface, quick dry, protects against rust, and safe to use in all metals and non-metal surfaces including rubber, plastic, and vinyls. Dries fast, leaves a clear non-staining film without stickiness and more messy residue, safe for temperatures between a -100 to 500 degrees. This is to shake the can, and I'm putting on some goggles, and there's a bolt down in here that hinges on, so I'm going to put some lubricant on there. And this one up here. Between the two hinges. Let's see how that is. I'm going to do the other side, and then on the latch that hinges down on this pin, and then there's a few different other pins where these jaws move back and forth. This has a remote release. It releases inside the cab. Good for security, but I want to make sure I keep this lubricated well, because I don't want to, it's a cable release and I don't want to break that cable. It wouldn't be fun trying to get this thing open. Sure can be done. Just to the first catch. There's actually two catches on it. That's the top position. Push it all the way down, then it's totally closed, but it's a safety catch in case the first one fails. The second one will grab it. But that's it. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.